How to activate your Love2Shop gift card online. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to visit the Love2Shop website, that is www.love2shop.co.uk. After which, purchase a gift card firstly. You can purchase either of your physical or a digital card, anything that is suitable for you. At the bottom, you will see Buy Love2Shop e-gift card or Buy Love2Shop gift card. Just click on the option. Now in here, you'll be able to select a value quantity, then you can easily add it as a card. Now if the card is not activated, in your Love2Shop account, you need to look for Manage and Activate section. It would be under Account or Register tab. You might be prompted to log in to your account if you have one. If not, you will not be able to create or activate your card without an account. During the activation, you will have to enter the card details, typically the 16-digit card number, expiration date and the CVV. After which, you'll be able to successfully activate your Love2Shop gift card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.